What's up, everybody? I'm Brandon.
I'm Justin.
And we're the Bohn Legacy, and here we are today with the all-sports bowling battle. You got anything?
Show me what you got.
All right, yeah. Watch out. Watch and learn. Ready? Hey, just like that. Just like that. Roll over there.
We're back with the all-sports bowling battle, the first time that we're ever doing a bunch of different sports balls, bowling a full game. We're gonna throw the first frame with a house ball, we're gonna throw the last frame with a house ball. We're gonna have a bunch of different sports balls in between. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
He's gonna start with the house ball.
Hook! Off to a good start here. You want next? Or I'll go.
No, you can finish, you can finish.
All right, we'll take it.
Here.
We'll take it.
All right, my turn.
Starting off with 8. That's not bad. That's not bad. I might be in trouble if he makes it. I might be down early, but.
I just gotta make it. It'll be a 6 start. You gotta get the pins where you can with the good ones, because you ain't getting any pins with some of the hard ones.
See, the problem was I tried to hook it, and it went in the gutter. It's gonna have an early lead, but that's okay. That's okay.
So what's next? Do you want to pick? I'll let you pick every time. What you want to go with?
I'm gonna go with the baseball next. All right. I'm gonna hit this one too.
You're gonna hit it.
I'm gonna hit this one.
Okay. Just so you all know, never try this at your home bowling center because you will get kicked out immediately.
Trying to figure out the best strategy here. I gotta hit the ball.
So that should count as 0 for that shot.
No. I don't want to hit it
too
hard here.
I think if you miss a 3rd time, it should count as 0.
All right. Maybe not the bad idea. Right.
That's 0, by the way. You missed.
That was a bad idea. See, I don't want to hit it too hard because I don't want it to go everywhere. So.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, it almost hit the 10 pin.
He actually just got 0 for the baseball, which is kind of crazy because I think you can actually knock some pins down with a baseball. And he decided to hit it with a bat and then throw it overhand, which we play a sport competitively throwing a ball underhanded. I'm gonna show you how it's done.
You just got 2.
I got 2. We gotta show some love to Tom here. Tom in the back, Matt Russo's dad. He runs the place, he owns the place.
See, look at him.
He's our ball retriever.
Yep.
So you can keep the baseball after this one if you want. It's 0. You missed the whole lane, that should be 0.
All right, right here. I'm not throwing it with the bat.
How does that make sense? All right, you got 2. All right, I'm picking this frame. I'm gonna go a little bigger sized ball here. Soccer ball.
How about you go soccer ball, and I'll go basketball, and we'll go at the same time.
Okay. So much for the same time. That was really quiet. Oh, that's something. That's 1. That's 1.
I can't believe I threw it in the gutter. It's just like a bowling ball.
I feel like every pin possible is gonna matter. So the fact that I just got 1, I'm gonna take it and move on because he just got 0.
All right, balls are back. Let's do it.
Balls back, try again. Same time?
Same time.
All right.
No,
nope,
not in the
that's
gutter
0.
again.
We're doing really good here.
This is not very good. I think the score is like 14-10, and a majority of our points are on the first ball.
No, we hit nothing, Tom. Ooh.
Deflect.
Oh!
Oh, that's a lot, actually.
Come on. Show me what you got, buddy. You did not just.
All right. Ball fell out of my hand. You know, too much slide here. You know, I slid a lot. Did you see that?
You know, all I saw was 0.
You know, I'm not gonna make any excuses.
From this angle, it looked
I
like
just need to
0.
get better with different types. I'm gonna stop there. Okay?
You got to get better with different types of balls?
Different types of balls. Yes, I need to get better with different types of balls. I'll go again.
You go first? All right. On the lane, and no.
This is not going well.
This is all bonus for me. All bonus. Oh! Oh!
Now I gotta give it to you.
All right.
That was pretty
All right.
good.
That's 6 more than what you got.
I'm gonna go with the kickball. And I'm gonna, you know, I don't even have to reset it. All right, so I think I'm gonna go sideways.
I'm just gonna watch.
Okay.
I'm just gonna watch.
That didn't go on our lane, so technically I get it back, right? So should I kick it again, you think?
Yeah,
No,
kick it
no.
again.
Can't do that.
Kick it
I'm
again.
gonna
That would be
try
so
that.
smart.
Okay. All right, all right, all right.
That's 2 more than your
That's
last
2
5
more.
shots
Yeah.
combined.
Upright. I know y'all didn't hear that. Tom just told me I suck.
You had a foul ball because you kicked it on the other lane and then missed them all. Oh!
How does that happen?
Good bounce.
How does that happen? Off the wall, he's
Yeah.
already got the lead, and he's complaining
Come on.
when I get another shot.
Oh! There's another good bounce, baby.
All right, I'll give it to you. I'll give
There's
it to
another good bounce.
you. All right, next up, I think I'm gonna go with softball again.
What you got here? Oh, you're gonna hit it.
Hey, just like Tom said, that comes back to me. That's a foul ball.
Go get your ball. Now that's 0.
All right, that's 0. And for the next time, a bat's done. Come on. Come on. If it comes back to me, that's a foul ball. That means, come on. Come on. Come on. Yup. Yup. We'll take it.
I want to know how many extra shots he actually needs to knock pins down.
It really only says 0-5. So, you know, score says 17-28. I'm a frame ahead. And that's 0. That is a dead hard 0. We got to pop here. I'm just saying. Are we serious?
House rules, right?
Are we serious? When I missed the lane, I was behind the foul line.
All right, all right, all right. How about this? How about this? I'll shoot at what's left, and however many pins I knock down out of that, that's what I'll get. Okay?
Now you're making up rules here on the fly. But you know what? I'll give it to you. Gutter. Gutter. That's 0.
Wow.
That's 0. All right. Hey, we're back in the game here. We're only down 11. So I was practicing earlier, and I didn't know if I wanted to go like this or if I wanted to throw it. We're going to try rolling it. You know, with a little loft, with a little spin. Oh my goodness. That almost counted.
That's 0. Oh, come on.
Are you serious?
Come on.
I don't know where it's going to go.
This is a terrible idea. This is a terrible
Like this?
Like that. Spiral it down the lane. Just throw it on the lane.
That's my lane. That means I go again. That means I get it back. All right, right here. Right here. Right here. All right. I can't do the overhand.
Glad you learned.
That's twice. It's gone on Justin's lane. I can't do this football thing either.
You got one more. You're down a lot.
I'm really hoping this Frisbee does me wonders here.
You know, Brandon, this is for you. I'm gonna take a little stroll, okay?
Whatever. You know what? I'm already out of this game. They do say never say die.
From our wonderful spark that we have at Rev Rates, you know, we've got a line right here where the spark ends. And you know, I'm going to stand right here.
I think this is cheating.
Get down nice and low. And just give it a good old whack. 1. Hey, I'll take my second shot here too while I'm at it. Nothing.
All right. Nothing like 1 on 2 shots.
That was good.
Okay.
That's a lot of pins.
I could deal with that.
And you missed all the ones in the middle.
Can I get another shot?
Sure.
All right.
Why not?
All right. We're going to need some more pins here.
Glad he got a good use out of that other shot.
All right, we're going to switch this one up here. I think you got the hockey puck. I'll take the tennis ball.
Let's take a nice stroll down the lane.
Come on. Why don't you guys join us? All right. See, with a smaller ball, you know, we're going to need a smaller range. So Justin's got a hockey puck. I got a tennis ball. We're going down the lane, just like we did with the Frisbee.
Nice.
Hey, that's 2.
You got the 6-8 out of the full rack.
That's 2.
Good work. That's 3. That's 1 more than you.
All right, we're gonna try for a little bit more here.
Oh, my own ball return 8, so that counts as another shot.
No, that doesn't.
If I throw it before you, I get another shot.
I'm not saying.
All right, I'm at 3. Come on, Tom, keep going.
All right. Hockey puck. Second shot.
Hey!
All right, that's fine. I got 0.
All right, I'll take 4.
You got 4. All right, my turn. I got 5.
All right. That's done.
That's gonna wrap it up on the different types of balls. But we still got the 10 frame here, and you never know. Never know.
I got the lead here. That's what matters, though. And I don't need nearly as much as he does to win the game.
So Tom said, he said, you know, if I finish on a strike here, I get the endless 10th frame. So if I go spare, strike, or strike, 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 you know, we got a pop here.
How do you keep making up your own rules?
Stay in the lane. Oh. I'm gonna need help. I'm really gonna need some help here.
Just so you know, you have to make it, or you lose instantly.
Whoa! No! Oh,
That's a winner.
That hooked. Way too much.
Doesn't matter how many I get, because I'm the winner! First ever all sports bowling battle champion right here. And we'll give it a trick shot for the road. Either way, doesn't matter, because you know what? I'm the winner. Great game.
You know, that was a well-played game, 33-50. You know, we're gonna bring in a special guest for the trophy presentation. Mr. Tom Russo, the guy who makes everything here, happen at Rev Rates and Bohn's Elite Training.
What do you have here?
I have the first ever all sports bowling trophy presented to you, Justin Bohn.
You know, if I would have known there was a trophy involved,
Thank you.
I would have tried a little harder.
All I have to say is my grandmother could have done better than your opponent tonight.
All right.
Enjoy
You're
the
gonna
trophy.
have to stop. That's gonna cut it off. I'm gonna cut it off.
Thank you.
And
Thank you so
and
much.
thank
for
you
this
for
one.
visiting Bohn's Elite Training.
I got
And,
it. I got it. I'm gonna finish.
No, you lost. I want to thank my sponsors, Bohn's Elite Training, you know, for this awesome facility and this awesome trophy, because I'm the first ever all sports bowling battle champion. Hit that subscribe button, like the video. We'll see you next time. Peace.